Welcome to Shredders and Shredders, manufacturer and exporter of shredder, crushers, and grinders machines. The company was incepted in 1985 at Mumbai. Advanced technology and tools make us unique in the industry. Manipal Printing Press and Ajanta Packaging are some of our elite clients, and we are backed by seamless finishing and designing. We offer a vast range of industrial, carbon, and heavy-duty shredder machines. Our shredder and bottle grinding machines are superior in performance. We offer paper, plastic recycling and waste shredders that are available at affordable prices. Medical waste crushers, PET bottle scrap, and bottle crusher machines offered by us are widely acclaimed in the market. Along with that, we offer coil winding machines and ink proofing devices that are acknowledged for their functionality. We also provide plastic waste shredders for warehouse that are a class apart. To get more information, log on at www.shreddersandgrinders.com.